Chapter 10 2D and 3D Shapes. I'm Shi Yu and I'll be recording this video. So 10.1 Points, Lines and Angles. What are points, lines and angles? So point is a position in a plane or in a space that has no dimension. Then line represents a plane in 3D or 2D space because it has infinite length in one dimension and no width or thickness in. 10.2 Parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and related angles. So parallel lines are lines that never intersect and they form the same angle when they cross another line. Perpendicular lines intersect at a 90-degree angle, forming a square corner. So two vectors are perpendicular if the angle between them is 90 degrees. They are lying or moving in the same direction, but always the same distance apart. 10.3 Congruent figures. So if two figures can be put exactly over each other, they are said to be congruent. Another definition of congruence is if one of the figures can be obtained after a series of rigid motions of the other, the figures are said to be congruent. This also means that the sides and the angles of both of these figures are the same, exactly the same. Angles of these congruent figures with the same measurements are called congruent angles. So 10.4 Line Symmetry. A line of symmetry is the line that divides a shape or an object into two equal and symmetrical parts. As the photo is showed, we have square, 4 lines of symmetry, rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry, and rhombus, 2 lines of symmetry. So yeah. 10.5 Rotational Symmetry. The rotational symmetry of a shape explains that when an object is rotated on its own axis, the shape of the object looks the same. You can see as the photo below. Rotate already also the same one. Then for 10.6 Polygons and Circles. A polygon is a closed plane figure with straight line segments as its sides. A circle is an example of plain closed figures, but it has no straight side. 3D shapes, plans and evaluation. Plans and elevations are 2D drawings of a 3D shape. A plan is a scale drawing showing a 3D shape when it is looked at from above. An elevation is the view of a 3D shape when it is looked at from the side or from the front. So this is it. You can see the photo. This is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.